The youth wing of the Autonomous State Demand Committee had expressed their disappointment over the poor condition of roads between HDP Main Market and Gautam Basti under Borpathar PWD Road Division. They had organized a protest dharna to demand immediate improvement of the road, which has left the daily commuters in great trouble due to its pathetic condition. The greatest problem which the people of Borjan constituency are tackling right now is with the road construction and connectivity. The road connecting the HDP Main Market and Gautam Basti under Borpathar PWD Road Division has been lying in a pathetic condition for years. It is a generation-old road and is the lifeline to nearly 50 villages, but the pathetic condition of the road had left the commuters in great trouble and very challenging in day-to-day life. It is a matter of great concern to the people of Borjan that the road connecting nearly 50 villages is left abandoned right after the foundation stone was laid. The foundation stone was laid in the year 2017 by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Carbin Autonomous Council, in presence of Longki Timong, ex-EM under Borpathar PWD Road Division for the length of 11 km connecting HDP Main Market and Gautam Basti via Bonglong Terang village. If the road was completed within the stipulated time, it would have benefited all the villages and would have been of a great relief.
Nilia alang li tumhan kasithanam kang tunga bangkela pohelo hoitu alang li Dr. Tuliram Ronghang alang li develop ulo pusi theglong tahai mane sitame pini ani nilitum Borjan arat kisung kiboy nitum kiduk der arat hime jangre tikok tiki nilitum jongdame nilitum HDP Ciria Rumpe nilitum Banglopran telitum Dimapur Cileng plot atuar la bangso tuar Calaka thar la penke nilitum lapu pilo mumcomarong la bangso tuar kacileng atuar la pelo constitution la hello nilitum kiduk kisung la hello yo nilitum lapu lok ci rong phokep bago rong phokep bagara nilitum ta HDP hello Borjan long nilitum vote bank ong na edim lo tangja nilitum bhan kiduk kilak Lapuna jinso se pin mazini tu anekan vote ki piduna alle ke la hello mane tumhan.
Disappointed with incompletion of the road, the ASDC YF staged a protest demanding completion of the road within 1 month. While talking to our correspondents, Lipson Crow, the finance secretary of ASDC YF, also promised to agitate stronger along with the mass if their demand is not considered and taken into action. While talking with the media, they also questioned the Border Development Board chairman over his absence during border disputes along Borjan.
Hala bang tar pilo pujo chutuleng rivalista eviction nai pusi dili jong namji laben ke dohla eletum border chairman ke development akam konalo border ke claim laben ke border chairman konalo border Borjana rat kisung alang ni ar jabdun de ke labang sini liang alang itu han karjukang tu aposi prabjin pe ni tuhan lam karan pinangji labang so tuar nilitum kisum teknik lo itum kisokone talitum pijai pasi kachepon nanji.
Ananterang from Bokajan and Vijay Rumpi from Dilai reports Carbin Live.